Hi, Adam here with Inspired LED to introduce the new two-zone independence dimmer system from Inspired LED. This innovative set of control devices combines the convenience of a plug-and-play installation with the look of a hardwired lighting system. By utilizing energy harvesting technology, wireless switches send RF signals to a variety of multi-zone receivers, enabling low-voltage LEDs to be turned on, off, or dimmed from anywhere within a 30-meter range. This makes the two-zone independence dimmer system an ideal solution for locations where in-wall wiring is not available or desired. There are two models of independent dimmer switches available. We have a single zone for universal control and a dual zone for split control. Both are sold with everything you see here. You can use a mounting plate or mount it to the existing structure already inside the wall. No faceplate is included. We also have two models of receivers available, a simple plug-in model for use with 3.5mm cables, and a screw terminal model for use with bulk 16 to 22 gauge cable. The independence dimmer system is compatible with 12-volt to 24-volt plug-in power supplies and cannot be hardwired. Please note that all components are sold separately. When creating any basic system, you will need a few components: your independence dimmer switch in either style, at least one receiver in either style, a set of 12 or 24-volt LEDs, a compatible plug-in power supply, and a 3.5mm interconnect cable or bulk 16 to 22 gauge wire. Although there are many ways to assemble this system, for this demonstration I will be using our 3.5mm plug-in receiver unit with one wireless dual dimmer switch and two LED panels. To get started, plug in your power supply and connect it directly into the part of your receiver marked Power In. When power is running to the receiver, you will see two green lights under where it says Zone. Next, you will plug in your first LED panel into the input marked Zone 1. You will now take something small like a paper clip and click the button at the top of your receiver marked Program 1. When you do so, the panel in Zone 1 will start to blink and will keep on blinking until it is paired with a dimmer. Take your dual dimmer and click one side of it up once, and your LED panel and switch will now be synced. Repeat these same steps with your second LED panel, except this time, instead of pressing the Program 1 button, you'll press the Program 2 button. Instead of the first switch, you will sync it up to the second switch on your dimmer. If using a single paddle switch, the second LED zone can also be paired to the same switch without fear of unprogramming the first zone. And just a quick note, in order to dim your system, you will press and hold on your dimmer switch and your LEDs will dim accordingly. That's all there is to it. It's that easy. And this is just one way to do it. There are an infinite number of combinations you can program your receivers and dimmers. You can sync both LEDs to one switch, both of them to separate switches, two separate receivers to one switch. The possibilities are endless. And at any time you want to change the programming of your receiver, simply press and hold down on the program button you wish to clear until the LED turns off. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 480-941-4286 or send us an email at orders@inspiredled.com.